It wasn't so long ago that railway stations weren't tall sheds or malls with shopping and a jumble of train tracks. Even in the 1970s there were some great, elegant restaurants in some of Europe's train stations. To go to the station wasn't all a burden but an adventure. The station that stood out to frequent travelers is Antwerp's Central Station. Built between 1895 and 1905, it replaced a wooden station built in 1854 by Auguste Lambeau. The station is surrounded by diamond and gold shops. If that wasn't enough to be reverential about, the 44-meter-high glass vault reaching toward the heavens was designed by the architect J. van Asperen. You should visit, even if you're not going anywhere. But then again, there are compelling cities not so far from Antwerp to explore. Look at the chart of departing trains. Dreaming is planning, too. You could, after all, head to Rotterdam to buy a warm Belgian waffle with chocolate melted on top. The railway cathedral was recently updated. The renovation started in 1993 was completed 16 years later in 2009. This, like the chocolate, horses, mussels in great, steaming pots, and long, rambling countryside walks are things about Belgium to remember.